that, guys, I want to show you how I make my breakfast this morning. It's gonna be callalo, steamed callalo, and roast breadfruit, but I'm gonna fry it. All right, I think I hit the jackpot because when I cut open the breadfruit it was turned. All right, so we're gonna do some fry planting as well. So let's get started with the seasonings. I like when I'm steaming the callalo, guys, and it have a lot of flavor of the natural seasonings. All right, so you can use pretty much any seasoning that you have available to you. Alright, so for the breadfruit, you're gonna peel it. And the difference with turned breadfruit, guys, is that it's a little bit sweeter than the regular one. So you're nice and thin, you should get them. And for the plantains now, we're just gonna slice them. Alright, so to saute the vegetables for the callalo, I'm gonna use coconut oil. And guys, listen, I cleaned up the callalo already from last night, so I'm just gonna steam it now. Alright, so if you want to see how to clean up your callalo, you can check out my previous videos. I show you how to clean up callalo and prepare it for steaming. Alright, so we're going to go in now with the garlic, some pepper, going in with the scallion and onions, going in with the tomatoes, and the carrots. Also gonna go in with some dry thyme. Or clean callalo. Some black pepper and salt. And remember, when you're steaming vegetables, guys, that vegetable contain a lot of water, so you don't need to add a lot of water when you're steaming it. If needs be, you add like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of water, just in case the vegetable is not producing enough. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and lightly steam them. I don't want it to over steam. Alright, so I'm gonna move it over to the other flame and get the breadfruit started. Alright, so we're gonna fry the plantains first. And time to time you can look at your callalo to make sure it's not overcooking, alright? These are fried to my suit, so I'm gonna remove them, put in the others. Remember, so when you're frying things, put them away from you so they don't burn you. You want to fry these until they're golden brown, alright? There you have it, guys, our nice fried breadfruit steamed callalo with plantains. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.